Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Bosco Media Network. Mat kiba kongsan mentara sni gilong happen isya ya kinong nya kali kamai ya lagi dur kidar nang ni syukman. Syong klik ti ki pulit halor PFIR ut usamla enlang sawian sasyaka NCSD. Li UMLA jirang ya ka Health Sub Center Harani Bari nak benta ki khat arshnong. Ban menjur hud mensiem kinong gen madan pan kendria la khandala. Bat mentang ini pai syaki Khubor ki bakhambania. Shen ke sorkar Meghalaya kan wanra da ka hukum ya baro kinong nya kali kamai la kilong ki taksi ki sumo ni ki turis taksi ki bos bat ki night super ki deban pen i bat pen pau sha ya ki dur ki license knang ba kinong let nong wan kin shngan namar lami bun palat ki kam sniu ki bajia ya ki nong shong kali hanong ba Shillong bat haki wei ki jaka. Kipat ba haba kila yo sngau ya kani ka jing thumu jo ka sorkar bante lakam ya kinong nya kali kila pen pau ya ka jing kemen ka bakrau. Ki kme ki kpa jing ki khna school ru kila sngau ya dei bat kani ka jing thumu jo ka sorkar ban shngan ka let kawan bat ban penlong ya kinong nya kali ka mai banda husiar bat ban long ki badan akor ka ktien ka thlet ka jingle jingkam haba ki kamai khaw khon da kani ka kam.
Mar mentah lada siapa mar entah mangi dengan cep bahan bas ni kupriau mentah spend si perlok di ainya tempu tu ni tinggi obat ya katu kerteng jong tu nreo kumungnya tingim tiap kada tingkat dang nak ba jadi ba ai baga kerteng em tak be kadur tu ka khamsir ha katu
kemulo daw ajirap eru bansa kadu tu driver bodan gitu
ngat be tu priau driver ni kan teh si perlok tu badi babam bae gitu em ainya rumah kumpul kan enteng dong le kam smiu perlok ngat tu no ai em kalau ka dabu kat ka keteng ka tur ka kan siap deh yang mana mau nang ni nyu biji ka biji enteng nyu ni dai biji dong dalek na dong kerja ka sinok ai dong sengan ba dong ka ni ha ka man buat lebih tua lang untuk berketeng buat membarkan diri kan long siap lagi. Long tahu kan kena presiden mah, mereka semak-semak salah kenal berbaik salah sam.
Pendong ke wei kat jing demi dan sorkar ba nak minta ki driver bidon kam ka dasar kani ka license mo baka dor kadar jumki bagi di ban bu hak ta ka kali bagi tiket ek ta ki passenger aka jing sro jonga tak kamdan kata ka jing mentoy jumki passenger ba in notice ya ta kador kadar jumki driver kabadan kam sorkar bakan simkia yang iki pat baru ha galinti ke singking ba nginek ngiwan bancong singa ki pat ba bagi breu banabar bidan kam kata ka jing singa ha ka Jylla ka jungi kan nong ko ko suba ha kalik kawan dai ban Shillong no ki dai bar ki ba kamai ba pamdan kanu kanu ka kam di wan ka longyeng baduna ka jingi kayo ka kon kada bagila don kam ya kata driving license
Lajan Shitayo Duna Usamla enlang sawian Educational Secretary ke HYC Sengkeme ulai de ke FIR sa police station persya Raghav Sharma YouTuber content creator badi social guru ubertong astrologer bakila keno ya ke Meghalaya bakade ke Jylla kenya breu bamdo breu haduk menta 4 dio jing tip AA na ki bor pulit lagi la twet na AM yakini arngut kumbala ai FIR persya yaki Haka country terik Naitung usamla enlang ulalit ujor sa Syaka National Commission for Scheduled Tribes NCSD batla pediang dau Assistant Section Officer jongkani ka office. Usamla enlang sawian ulayat hu hakilat pathai Khubor halor ka jinglet ujor Syaka National Commission of ST ban penklanya ka jing ujor jong u kat kum ka article 338A. Ula kerpa deka commission ban penlong ya ke inquiry halor ki jingkran jong kini ki arngut ki breu bala sha ujor FIR namar kila kran ben ya ki jaj ban reu kani ke Jylla da ka jing thmu ban pen kulmar ya ka suk kasan ha Meghalaya
education secretary ba kumwei non sayan po ke Jylla
minta kasih ngelawan ban buat ya kan ke komplain akan National Commission for Scheduled Tribe Regional Office kebetulan ni Port Ocean dua lesnya kumba pilih haki media mah bah haki sini beladap ngala file ya ke FIR persya utau social guru bedai asmeja berkumjuro jauh tahu content creator bedai Raghav Sharma hanor ke jengpemi ke jengki yang kata ke video yang kata ke jenis keren apa yang jengki kata ke podcast kabakila kenok bekinong Meghalaya jungi kidai kita ki dulum kiba dang practice kata ke human sacrifice bat kata ke cannibalism dan kata ke ban IT yang kejing bre bat kumjur ban bam ki do bre dan nak yang jonga bat kum education secretary jung HWC ngamsem la song krikti hoat ngala hadu mentan nak yang jong ke police department ke FIR ka bangala file men hak kasin saja ngapak juga kan ku update dia sigla register ni ka case persya ini social guru budai utau astromeja but uni Raghav Sharma budai utau content creator berpenyat kan ka YouTube channel ke berkertan ke super talk de nak yang jong apa kenang bangan kan show ya kan ka jung juar ka jonga kumbangal dep ban kran ning bagilat pakai Khubor atau kesni bangan sa faldo ya kan ke complain sa National Commission for Scheduled Tribe kia po legal hi akaba mentang sing liyo ban submit but di ground si bangla present hali bilong ba ngala kentu ya ke commission bakare ban conduct ke inquiry akaba ngala file ya kan ke petition limba ka article Laispa le pa ejong ka constitution jong kari India ka ba buar ya ka commission ban ke inquiry ya kini complain di bala file kabede bat ka jing sakta lani ka jing sa kentho lani ka jing sa banben lani ka jing sa event jong kita ki riulom ki bahap habo kan ki National Commission for Scheduled Tribe de la fali kan ko complain persya kini ki arngut kata ini social guru ubadai utau astrologer bat utau Raghav Sharma kabede bat ka jing kentho ka jing ki kabede bat ka jing pelat ka jing ki ya bat kam ya kata ka kentien baki Meghalaya tribal still practice human sacrifice and cannibalism ngala faldo eki kani ka petition ka bangala file mentang ngala batairu eki legal grounds belai nga file kani commission belai nga warra kani ka complain ka commission akaba ngala batairu eki legal grounds bangala highlight kini legal grounds ba ni ka jengkran jong kini ki arngut no jeng limba kani ka podcast kala attract ka section 196 jong ka BNS kata to promotion of enmity hatred and ill will or based on religious group nata kalatrak ke provision jongka article section 352 jongka BNS kata making statement with intent to insult yani kata kajingkran kajuki takaba persang ban insult pat ya ini ki tribal bah ini ki rulum jongka Jylla khamtame kajingmu kajungki ban provoke kata breach of peace yani ban wanra ban petut pat kata ka songsop ka songsan hapo ke Jylla Meghalaya
Kajing ang nuot ki pad ba nagi khatar tali kishnong khaput ki ba shong hakathan rani bari banyo e kajaka sumar ka ba biang na kabanta ki pad ba kala urlong hakakhanri tarik Naitung uba sostinu sotun MLA jirang ula ple pad ba ya ka rani bari health sub center hashnong rani bari jirang CNRD block Hakani kasngi plel dan lang ka kong B Rani ADC Ribhoy, Dr. AR Marak DMHO Ribhoy, Dr. K Lingdo Medical Office Patharkma CHC, kinong penyad ka Corona Trust, kirang ba snong nakani kathan, bat kipad ba krui. Karani Bari Health Sub Center, kan ajing mentoy kipad ba hakikat artili kisnong kaput hakani kathan. Kipad ba kiladap daka jingkemen daka baong. Menta kilat sumar sukher ki dawai dashin kilapoi hasenda kishnong jongi. Hadu kini kisngi ki breu nakani kathan ki be dawai sha Assam ni sha war mausau bat Patharkma ki ba jingai ki po kilometer na kishnong jongi. Ya katei ka health sub center Harani Bari an penyat bat bu doktor daka Corona Trust.
During the election campaign, all our leaders that are here. I hope they still remember that we kept this Ranibari sub-center as one of the main election campaign to complete. And today I'm very happy and I would like to thank the NPP-led government under the leadership of Sir Conrad K. Sangma and Madam Dr. Ampreen Lingdo, who is the Health Minister, it is because of the leadership who knew each and every area, the needs of the people, be it health or be it the other departments, the PHE, the PWD, or any other departments. This government, under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Sir Conrad K. Sangma, has done lots of development for the state of Meghalaya, especially for Jylla constituency. That's why we gathered here today with happiness, joy, together with the health department, to see that this building, this permanent building, just constructed right in the border with Assam. And I would like to tell
Special Officer Balathung daga Meghalaya High Court Subhasis Chakravarti haka khanre tarik Naitung ula batha ekibor penyat ke East Khasi Hills ban pentur syakmat ban penkenria ekinong di Madan haka than kendailan kat kum kajing batha ka yeng bishar. Habakran Shakilat Pathai Khubor Hadien Balawai ka Jylla kabala long ha office ka Deputy Commissioner u Chakravarti ulaong ka Jylla kala long ka basayson. Layatai sani ya kimat hapadeng ki kenhun baper kumnu banyat syakmat ya kajing penkenria kat kum ki certificates of vending COV. Kumta ki bor district kin ya syakmat ban penkenria ya kinong di Madan kat kum karai balashim hakani ka Jylla ulaong. Hakani ka Jylla layashim banta da ki officer jaga district Shillong Municipal Board SMB ki dekot jangka Provisional Town Vending Committee PTVC but ki dekot jangka Meghalaya and Greater Shillong Progressive Hawkers and Street Vendors Association MGSPHSVA. Layo banyakran bat kinong yalam kinong di Madan ka kong Angela Rengat hadian kan ni ka Jylla.
Concerned parties have met together and there has been a fruitful discussion how to go ahead with the task of, reallocating the vendors and finalizing the list, issuing COVs and all that. There has been a clear, fruitful discussions. So the administration will now go ahead to work in accordance with the decisions taken in this meeting. The DC has taken a very constructive in calling everyone, discussing everyone, taking everyone's views and proceeding in accordance with the directions given by the High Court in its order dated 3rd of this month. Honorable High Court, whatever order was given by the Honorable High Court, that is being complied with. So let us see how it goes ahead. The people will come to know about it as the thing progresses day by day. Okay, thank you.
Ki padba achik rengkat kiksiu tun bat kiksiu tun kilakan mau bat le burom hakasin balakan jo shispa nyosnam ya kishipai kit tiartma Army Labor Corps hakatma ba bandingkong World War I kibaka sorkar bilat kala hukum bat phai ki shadow Mesopotamia, Egypt, Lebanon bat Syria Bankit ikimar kimata baki shipai hidan kam hamadan hakini kiri. Ya kani kajing kenmau bajing le buram ikini ki shipai ki bana kajat benriu acik ki bala phaya la kajing em na kabenta ka sorkar bilan la sedang nadu kasnam khat khandai spa khat khandai hatura. Hatura umot sa akan mau ya kini ki shipai ulai yang kenjreng hakajaka ka bashen nabha ban kring ki khmat jang ki paj ba nong lek nong wan. Katura Municipal Board kala penlong ya kajing rakhi burom haka khandriu tarik Naitung haka dong Lower Babupara Tura. Kiriu khmat kila shimbenta haka ni kajing kenmau burom kilong Marcus and Marak MLA William Nagar, Vibhor Agarwal, IAS Deputy Commissioner, West Garo Hills, Abraham T. Sangma, IPS SP West Garo Hills, JD Sangma, Chairman Tura Municipal Board, Albinush R. Marak, CEM, Father Generius Sangma, Principal Don Bosco College Tura, BB Sangma, President ABDK Tura, Kinoyalam ke Mothers Union, Pressure Groups, ki kena school bat kinong tray sorkar natura. Umarkus N. Marak, Menteri PHE Kumukongsan, ulakran hakani ka Jylla, bat ulaya ro ya ka jing slur jeng kisipai garo, ki balatur ki madan thma jeng ka perthei hakitu ki por. Bo na kini kisipai kila yap, bat kendiat ki balawan pai shala ki jong kisnam ki thau, ulapan kan mau. Hakani ka Jylla lapalat pat ba ya ka kot the Garo Labour Corps World War I. Balatho do Seming di Sangma, Senior Librarian HTC, kabala batay sani ya ka jinglet jong kini kisipai Shadow Re France. Hakani kasngi sa akan mau burome kini kisipai la ther dop sentiu bapun rong saudong ya umot sa akan mau hababu para. Ki pulit na MLP Battalion 2 hilaput daka bikur ya kisur thma balung mensem haka jing sngap jarjar ba 6 minit. Uba Kermen Shilla, Menteri Revenue but Disaster Management. Ulakan tu ekipat ba aban penlong ya ka jingya kun persya ya udrop. Kabas seiso, da kabas no ktilang bat ki kun hun ki batmu ban rat deng kong ya une ujing di basyirkei. Ula kentui ki long yeng long sem, yaki kemi ki kpa, bad yaki samla ki balangat hak ni ke jing snil, ban numbu re ni len, ni le ran, ban yathu hakitu ki ba sumar sukher, bad ki ba trei, ban pendu jaj ya udrok na ka Jylla. Ula Khubor, kamdei satia ka kam ka basuk ban yakun ya uni ujing di ubalak kri bat kenrei hakeleng perthei. Ula penpau ke jing kermen bagi pat ba kin mi syakmat ban trailang bat kiseng ki bayada ya ka lawe jang ki pateng ban wan na ki tersim jong udrak. Ula ya ro e ki dor bar snong ki balang ki seng tremon ngobha ki school bat college ki ba imsngi ban ya le persha ya udrak hakani ka Jylla.
When it comes to drugs, this is really a concern matter in our state, not only the state, even the country and the world as a whole. We have seen that most of the youth has, being a trap of this drug, where the drug minister trying to find a ways and means to, to counter and then reach the youth of our state and then to destroy their livelihood. So I feel this is a matter where not just the concern of a single person, but everyone concerned. Because until unless all of us come together and keep the supporting hand, it's almost next to impossible to tackle drugs. Because the users is quite difficult to find out and then to know who's the users until unless they came out, you got them red-handed. But that is very difficult to got them. But for all these things, I would like to request, yes, no doubt the government, we do have the department concerned, like the police department, the health department, and many line department who works together to tackle the drug and the drug menace. But as I've mentioned, it's next to impossible until unless we give our supporting hands. So for this, I would like to appreciate and then thank the Darbar Shillong of different locality. I've heard from time to time, they really support and they try to find ways and means how to help our children, our youth, that not to involve in drugs. For example, when it comes to a contribution from MLAs and all, I've seen in different constituencies, they introduce activities in sports where our youth will get some kind of activities so that they will carry it away, not to go to drugs, and then they'll be carried to sports activities and then
Uba Paul Lungdo, Tourism Minister, but Uba Nujorki Sungo. Kilalet Jingo Yaka Resort, Kupli Orchid, Hashnong Priang, West Giant Hills. Lasan Ran Yakini Kirangba, Rekakong Brenda L. Pakenten, Director Tourism. Ki wahe na ki khatlai tali kishnong kilaya merjing mut bat uba pol ban penroy bat ban kentie ki than chut waku bat saphai kum ki ktem jingo kai perthei namar ka maryang bat ka saudong saukun hakini ki than ki long ki ba ithiang hadu kata amdei ru ban klet ya ka jing internet ka wa kupli jong kani ka than
Ketika side cover kita mendapat nilai air di administrative approval nak pendaga air ke fencing ini resort cover essential ekonomi.
Badai kitu ki Khubor ngilapoi syakapakut tak hadu bangindaya syambiang Khublai Shibun.